We're here in the sunny Herefordshire countryside for Lakefest. It's a 4-day UK festival for around 18,000 people. Headlining this year are Echo the Bunnymen, Groove Armada, Faithless and Busted. Total Sound are rigging the main stage with NEXO GEO M12 and P-Series monitors. And this is also the UK debut for the new NEXO Alpha Plus system.
When the system was announced at ISE, we placed our order straight away, but this is the first opportunity that I've actually had to listen to the system in anger. I listened to the system on the Funkytown stage last night, and I was quite honestly astounded at the result.
Alpha Plus is perfect for these types of stages. It's quick to stack and has all the power and performance necessary to cover a festival crowd on a medium-sized stage.
All the different bands were doing everything from reggae to ska to dance to pop to indie to rock. It just brings everything alive. I don't know how else to explain it. It was just great. Line array, you're flying 20, 30 foot up in the air. This is a point source rig. Can't make it any easier than that, can you?
Alpha Plus undoubtedly has Alpha DNA ingrained in it, and the audience clearly love it. And my first thoughts, having heard this system only a few times, is it's definitely going to be a system that's out of the warehouse more often than not.
It's phenomenal. I think Alpha Plus is phenomenal. It covers the whole spectrum. It does everything we need it to do.